If you have a problem with your front roller on your Roomba getting stuck, then I might have the fix. This has kind of worked for me, so I'll show you what I did and it might work for you. This is Cynthia with Love and Data. If you're new here, click subscribe and click the like button if you get some value out of this video. Okay, let me turn it around. I'll show you what we're doing. Let's see how this is kind of roll. It doesn't really like spin, and I know it's dirty. I still have to clean it, but I think I found out how to fix that part. So get some tweezers, put them underneath, and then hold it on the other side, and you're gonna put pressure on the bottom, and you want it to come up. So keep putting pressure until it pops up. Now it worked on the other one. Come on, guy. There we go. Yay! And you can see there's hair in there. So I'm gonna take that hair off. Boom. And then there's a little bit of hair over there. And then there's a little bit of junk inside there. Okay. Oh, even more. Come here. Okay. So then all you're gonna do is you're just gonna pop it back in and press it down. Okay. Look at that. Like and subscribe. Thanks.